It's you again. What are you doing here? I told you not to come here. Your mom and I separated. That's why you shouldn't come back here, you know? You coming to punch me? Huh? You coming to punch my tooth out? I just replaced it with a boot. You know what? I don't need you. Huh? I don't need you. Oh, you wanted to know about the car? Of course, of course, of course. So being almost as ugly as Guy Fieri in that talking about me, I thought about, let's talk about this thing. Yeah, it took a long while until I got to like start talking about it or anything like that. Raine, vad gör du? Kom hit. Raine. Yeah, 1 second. Oh, din lilla mysfula. So, this is my daughter. Let go. This is my daughter. This is Raine. And she is, well, the most annoying asshole in my life. I'm working night shift today. And it's 9 in the morning. Awful, I know. But this thing just do not want me to sleep. And she wasn't leaving me alone. She couldn't leave me alone when she walked outside herself. So she followed with. You little dingus. Here you go. Yeah, she puts paw prints on my car. I don't care, alright? It's just how she is. So, like, never mind about that stupid fucking shit. Cats, man, I fucking hate. So, let's talk about this thing. Whatever this thing is. It's stupid. I just want to say that it's stupid. I know it's not stupid. It's like the most reliable car I've ever had in my life. But yeah. Funny how that is, huh? So, I'm gonna grab your lawn here. So, this thing is an R34 GTT. And now everybody's gonna leave now. I understand that. And I, like, bro, it's just a Skyline. It's just an R34, man. That's legit what it is. It's nothing more than that. So this car is a R34 GTT and it has been heavily modified. I can hear my cat starting fights outside. As soon as I go out, it's silent. Oh, there it is. Just a fucking stupid shit. What y'all do? Come in. Come in. Come now. You can't just call me and then walk out. Hey, get in here. I swear this cat will be the fucking enemy. You annoy me so bad. I'm in here. Yeah, get in here, stupid ass. Anyway, so this car, white body kit, right? It's a white body kit car. I see what you're doing. So this car, R34 GTT, extreme wide body. Quick history about the car. This car was in Japan, Tokyo. It's where it was sold. And the car was sold as a ungraded car, meaning that you were not able to drive it from lot. So this is a crashed car. And the thing about it is that a company took it in and fixed it up. So it's good now, as you can probably see. Now, when I got this car, it looked like this, right? I changed a few bits on it, but this is base how it looks like from the start. And the thing about it is that the more I went into it, the more I have this car, the more I modded. I haven't modded too much, but I have modded. The thing is here is metal. This, that is actually glass fiber, because this is a wide body kit come from Cross Factory in Japan. So this car has a wide body kit from Cross Factory. This is a original R34 GTR rear bumper, and that's fine. We have crossbody factory side skirts that I have cut off to fit the Garage Kagutani louvers. There's nothing wrong with that. Garage Kagutani louvers with Garage Kagutani like flat floor that is there. It's cool. It's bigger than the R34 GTR's one, and it's just cool. So what we have in the front, well, like, no, let's continue in the back. Let's continue on the back. On the back, we have a top secret GT1 wing. I think that's what it's called. Carbon fiber all the way. We have the top secret diffuser down here with the vortex generators. We have a FIA rain lights that I'm gonna try and stick in here in the future, because that would be sick. We have the original OEM GTR taillights with the hood for it, and we also run on Volk TE37 Ultra 2s, which are sick as fuck. And on the other side, basically pretty much the same, honestly. It does have a little damage because I jumped this one time. There's some lore on that, but nothing we'll talk about today. So at the front, there's a little bit more going on. We have R34 GTR xenon headlights with a Uro. I think that's how you say it, Uro. The original front fenders on this car was also part of Uro, but I removed them because I want the garage Kagatani. But this front is a Uro front bumper, and it's rare. I have not seen it anywhere else. This is like the only front fender I ever seen on a car like this. Then we have Car Shop F1 carbon fiber front splitter, and then we have Auto Select canards on it. And we can't forget as well. Oh my god, made me nervous. We can't forget the true and real look. Garage Kagatani. No, what am I saying? No, not Garage Kagatani. These are Ganadors Super LED side mirrors, which is cool. I like it. And the final piece, that is the most knowing piece, is the hood. And that's where the mystery starts, because this is a Move Tuning Factory Air Force One hood. This hood is also part of a famous group called Move Tuning Factory. There was also a tuning factory for the famous Midnight Club. Yes, that Midnight Club. And basically, the thing about this is this car came with this and a bunch of other Japanese only bits. Most of them were removed before I got the car, but one of the things that is still left on it is the rear exhaust. This rear exhaust is a NER split exhaust, or NER Spec Blitz. And if you look at pictures of old Move tuning car factories, they have the same exhaust. So the question is this car part of something? What I found out was that one of the bolts that is for the engine and the engine itself, the bolts are not the same, and the original paint markers on them has been shifted. So it might have another engine in it. Who knows? But enough about that. Let's open this bitch up. Ooh, fucking shit. So, on the performance side of bits, this is a RB25 Neo. Nothing special. And you might look at that and be like, why are you doing this? It's because in there you have a silicone hose that is very close to the fucking pipe, and it can melt the silicone hoses, and I don't want that. This car has bigger injectors in it, 555 cc's. It has a cockpit manifold. It has injectors, 555 cc's. It has a cockpit manifold, and it has a turbo in there that is low mounted. There is a Garrett GTX 3076R Gen 2 in a RB25 turbo housing. So it looks small, but the inlet is huge. We have the HKS air filter that I need to change. We have a Blitz radiator. We have a little gremlin that decides to join us no matter what it is and wants to analyze all the time. Hi! Hello. We have a custom-made intercooler in the front. Don't fall! What are you doing? What do you want from me? She makes me so nervous. But yeah, Don't hurt yourself. So we have that. And this car came originally with 10 Monoflex coilovers, which has since been removed. I don't know when and how, but they have been removed. Now it runs on Driftworks CS2 coilovers. I am not super happy about that, but it's coilovers nonetheless. It has Nismo tension arms in front. It has upgraded brake pads, and it has Cusco upper camber arms, so we can have camber in the front. Because funnily enough, these cars, right? These cars, you cannot adjust the camber in the front when they're original. Isn't that crazy? That is absolutely nuts. And in the rear, we have a full adjustable set. Very hard to see. Okay, you can't see that anyway. We have a fully adjustable rear arms from Driftworks. So everything's uniball. Because the dude tried to make this, it's like one of the dudes that had this car tried to make it a drift car. Why? I don't know. It has a cat underneath it. Locked it, not welded. It just has upgraded spacers, so it tightens much tighter. It reminds of like CAS. So think of it as like a CAS one way or like 1.5 way, because that's what it is. It's not like a full 2-way, but it's like 1.5 way. That is that about the car. It doesn't have high CAS anymore, because that was fucking scary when that failed. It has Sparko seats, Sparko wheel, Sparko things. It has a 4-point harness, quick shifter, and that MFD. Funnily enough, this MFD is a Eurus triple gauge cluster hood meter thing. I just cut it out and I put a Windows tablet behind it and I jammed it so it's always pushing in the power button. And then I had a cable go from that to the ECU, and I put the ECU's tuning software on it, because on the tuning software you can do a layout. So I did that, and all of a sudden I have an MFD, which is what I think is an upgraded, better version of it. Where did Raine go? Raine! Raine! What are you doing in the car? Get out! Get out! Get out! You piss and shit in cars. Get out! Thank you. Careful. It pushes out 453 wheel horsepower. Don't know the torque. And it's quick. It's nice. But it has some more in it, and I just found it by accident, to be honest, which is crazy, because I didn't know that this car actually had like a proper lore behind it. I bet the earlier owners didn't know that either. Before you start anything or talk shit about me, it has GTR badges. Why? Because it's a failed joke. I'll explain it like this. Like, this car has GTR badges on it, even though it's a GTT. It is because, one, I wanted to annoy people, but two, my dad wants them on, so I have them on because of him. You gotta support your fathers somehow. But the thing is, I have the GTR badge because here's the thing. I have friends who have R34 GTRs, and my car is wider than theirs. So every time we go to a meet somewhere, all of us, and this car rolls up, everybody thinks that this is the GTR and all the other ones are GTTs, which is funny, because I can be annoying as shit when it comes to it. I have them on for personal reasons and as a joke, which totally failed, by the way, but it does racing and it's fast. That's what I want to achieve with this. So yes, I want to put in a cage. Yes, I want to put in like proper stuff. I can't, because then I need to change the registration of this car. And I'm not about to go down that rabbit hole, because then I have to change the transmission, diff, maybe engine as well. That is the car. That is it. That is the car in a nutshell. But what are you doing? What are you doing? Raine. Child. But yeah, so that's that car. That's how that is. I really... Where the fuck are you going? Excuse me, lady. Where do you think you're going? Hey. Hey. Where do you think you're going? I swear to God, these fucking cats, bro. Like, I can't properly focus because of that thing. We're doing it live! Raine. Fan gör du? Kom hit. Nej, kom hit. Nej, kom hit. Det räcker. Får du sluta? She just won't leave me the fuck alone. Hey. 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 Drop up. Is it fun? Is it fun being outside? Yeah, there you go. Hi. Here. Over to the grass. Over to the grass. Are you excited? Is it fun being outside? Here. Sit down.